Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Smart Band 9 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this smart band by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your smart band, make sure that the battery level on your smart band is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your smart band. Now let's continue with the reset. First thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your smart band, and you can do it by tapping on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the option called the system. And once you find it, tap on it. Here find the option called reset, and once you find the reset option, tap on it, and then tap on the check mark to confirm and start the resetting process. Now let's wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Let me skip this. And here we have the list of languages. And that's how you factory reset this smart band by using the system settings on it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.